Dina young quay, that's a woman from my Dina young quay. Joe, Dina young quay. Oh, better sanga that topa.
Yo, I have for a net and now what you for. I the truth or dare show. In fact, me do be biara sisa biano. Mo time na so pe. Mo so notification button no me di 2 mu na mo hu no. I made them myself biano mo ko so na mo share na mo like na mo comment na mo support bia me ye. Me dem ase bebre. And now what you for. And now what you for and so on say my mirror okay. Today I'm dripping, dripping for you guys. So then want me guest. Na virtual hub Ghana. Virtual hub Ghana. And Habibti Beauty Plus and also Miss Victoria. Miss Katie and Victoria de my media. Me donya me. One shot, me je queen but na tete. But you see, I'm a to show me what's see answer material no. At say, and then when we guest Rain Africa.
Yeah.
In fact, Rain Africa is in the building. Rain. Rain is a musician, of course. He's a musician. He got talent, man. And then I have my sister here, Zainab, and Zainab too. So we are dreadlocks, right? Yeah. That's your job. Rastafarian woman. From Jamaica, and I don't feel Jamaica. In Jamaica. Ufra Abidjan. Me crom for Côte d'Ivoire. And another French, another French besu. Compras savoir. Kuru savoir. And then aka. And then your topic I open no. And they say, is it a must? Say, Bema and I say Oba. Because a member need be on the ma. I'm going to say mom BJ. But I say. A man being so pelican. And he said, Bema, and I said, Obama, Bema, BJ, or Sakine, Cotia, and I said, the Bema na. I must, so say Bema, no so, and lick your banana. And I say, and the minion, and Obana, the middle, also banana, middle minion. So, guys, over to you. Since I wear Bema, so I'll start with you.
Okay.
Say, Ogel, no, Oma, BJ, also looking at now. Like, is it a must?
Sex is something that God created for us for pleasure.
Okay.
You see, so and for you to have pleasure, you need to be satisfied, like complete. You don't need to do something at the end of the day you are not complete.
Okay.
So let me say, it is two-way things. If she wants it, you have to give it to her.
Okay.
You see, as a man, you have to give it to her. And it all depends. That means she has said she have to know that she's not infected. You understand? Before you can give
everywhere is clean.
Yeah, everywhere have to be clean. So if you are asking your man to give you a BJ, you should make sure that that place is cool. When that place is cool, I will just go there and do the work. But if that place is not cool, man, I'll just find the exit.
Find the exit there. Obe run it.
No, I will not run, but I will go. I won't go there. I will just come back.
You just give excuse.
No, you see, it all depends. You see, sometimes for myself like this, I love to make sure that my woman feel okay. When I'm in the room, I make sure that I'm fully satisfied. So the same thing goes to the lady. It's my responsibility to make sure that she's also satisfied.
Okay.
So it is compulsory. If she wants it, give it to her. But she should make sure that that place is well.
Okay, Zainab. I said, remember, no more say Obama is supposed to be clean. Because so we have remember this, but they are not clean. Like more, so like they have some sense, especially in free. And to do so also say sometimes when you are giving your mind BJ, like do you also love to be, say be my best sakyo and be my like you. Do you love that?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel okay.
You feel okay.
Yeah.
And to say oh no boys just one like you are. Oh yeah then.
Oh say one licky my mate move for some. But I say you do you want to say you licky you. So what I say?
Well, also like boy and it's who date this year? Who date this year? Adensha. Oh, you are home every dating. In fact, I say no back I mean say dating so Yetimi kasa meji ma ho me every day ten.
Because how kakra wo mo a obetimi atwe ho kakra. So what I say.
Into your past relationship no. Na be man na on it na o man be just do some more compound like mu kwa kodi mo a. Na o soke no.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
You continue na man no mu ne ti say tofi.
Allah akbar.
What I say. O pokra the you got to be count.
Oh my God.
The you got to continue so.
Oh no.
Koyi no so the you got to agu furuma so. Charlie, I try share.
Yeah. Safina, are you surprised?
Mr. Craft.
No, you should not be surprised.
Koyi ankasa se mo dom ho a say mutimi ye bibia. Se na wo ko baabi akro be kai.
Sir? So you want to be adventurous?
Obe kai say no, why a mistake. So what you say?
But you know, sometimes oral sex is very important in love making. Okay. But I don't really understand. Some ladies sometimes when you want to give them oral sex, they tell you, wait, I don't like it. I don't really understand why. Have you experienced that? Have you ever met a man that maybe stopping from giving you a BJ, a head? For
me, no.
Some ladies will stop you, so I don't really know why.
They don't want it.
Yeah, they don't want it. So I don't know. Maybe you can help.
Zainab, do you have an idea why some of the ladies don't want to be licked? Like who idea besides say didn't a man be person be like your
denti ambani be person on be licky.
Among person.
Kunu ana omo boys. Bema bi wo ha onye neat. So what I say bema bi wo ha onye neat. Nti ohon mu no ntimi.
Nti bi on person oba no be ba beti.
Na bema bi wo ho se wo ka anakra ne kire no a ompe ne bu befu. Obi nso wo ho a se mu do mo ho no de se wo mistake out me eden. Otimi kana ma sisi bibia but obi wo ho koka na befu. Yentwi na mentwi.
Nti say imagine say you are dating uni rain air tramp na sisi a. Na say you've seen when we bibi say bia in fact say or run a boxer shorts to and I say be onye neater. Kwa best no be fa so akahwe no.
Oh. Me nkan but me ti maka ten say yen kodware. Me feel say yen dware. Oh, me di nyansan.
Eno anu.
Yen kodware. Dware yen wono. Say mistake na oho na fudodo a. Na
okache say o
me akasa na me ye me nkasa ono nkasa ye.
Nti wa obechile na ho.
Na ma ye ni kama. Ntono nsu so wanyansa obehu se no bibi nkoye tina ge no pese obeka nto di ma fa konam.
Okay. So guys, I don't know if say you are also comfortable with say bia mo girls be shave. In fact, sad no kwa there. Enti no say bia o guy na say bia o be ma won net no chill na o shave. A very nice experience. When opese di bi to aso na say yenko.
Let me say, I don't really know, but they really need to educate the public about this oral sex thing. Yeah, because most guys don't like giving their women head. Yeah, they don't like giving their women. No matter, women love to be licked like a plate. You see, they love to be licked really good. So they need to really educate the men for them to see that there's nothing bad there. As long as that side is neat, you have to go there and give her a good head for her to be satisfied. Somebody
the rain kind no. And so what there? So girls so pa farmer no. So they see pen no. I have for her na talk no. Ebesi ye kwa ba eba na truth or the dwumede no. E de abramo sa papa.
Yina yenkwe. Some wo fema yina yenkwe. Jo yina yenkwe. Obete sangada topa.
You are here for about truth or then. So what I say. A do segment where the na me ankasa ma wo say bibia be vrem as the honhom be ma dan different person, different world. Must I say? Okay, Rain Africa is Zainab.
Yeah, baby girl.
This game we have rules.
Yeah.
And the rules say. So when to me I know there, obetia 50 Ghana cedis.
I've been watching it. I know.
Yes, thank you. Since you know.
That is it.
And then well best spinning. Say that there, I'll ask you there because since you said you've been watching, then I'll give the truth to Zainab. If it's on truth, I'll ask you truth, then Zainab will take the day.
Yeah.
Eko.
Let's go.
You bab?
I bab.
You get it?
got it.
If you don't even get it, just forget about it.
Thank you.
So let's see who will spin first. So somebody should just pick what's in there. I mean, I remember I'm not fan in 10 times. And the Ushrana.
No, men are always active, when it comes to things like this.
Ayo, and that's how they are. And active, then I know who's spinning.
Okay.
Yes. So who's spinning first? And
So should I go?
Yes. So go for me. Was it like I know some tough one point when it's real. So Rain Africa is on the side.
Yeah.
So decide your fate, truth or dare.
Let's go with truth.
You should go with truth.
Yeah.
Tell everyone who you are. You are like myself.
Okay. Let me say, Rain Africa. I go by the name Daniel Tanko. I'm a lovely, kind-hearted, humble, gentle fellow. I have the fear of God. I love music a lot. I love women a lot. And
He's real. He said he
I
loved
love
women.
looking for money as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Zainab. Your days. I dare you to tell us what you think about Rain Africa. Like Uhune saying, what do you think about him? Assume that he's not here, and Obia Busa will say, Rain Africa crowd or your wine. What do you think about him?
Africa or your Nipabia or Bobia.
Who if you say no Okasa?
Or Bobia Sen on Chireno on Pentopa. Me pena sempa. Then I me pena sem me so for baby so. Pena sempa.
Okay.
Not good.
Go there. Okay, Zainab spinning. Zainab, the same in the case of San was spinning wheel no. So Zainab is on truth. So truth in say, if you could know one thing from your past, what would it be? Like from your past, I've been there with she. I'm just speaking Hausa. Imagine.
Yes, nah, this is Africa.
The Hausa just came like that.
Yeah.
Like I did a tremor of life. So what I say, that's I always say dream one. Then ebeba uchim say like I did a tremor. Kunya.
Abrabo mulu say. Wanya how ewo abrabo ma onye nipa. So what I say, nti dia chom de. Yes, so ukodwi en found some bambeye at your body view.
Okay.
Yes, so money cho na waku akoni.
Okay. That's nice. Okay, Rain Africa.
Yeah.
Your dare is, I dare you to sing any of your song for Zainab to dance with it.
Okay.
For Zainab to dance with it.
Okay.
Zainab, oh, Pachawana.
No, she has still.
Oh, Udimasa.
No.
You don't know how to dance. You don't know.
Party get hotter, getting high, feeling better.
Hey,
Sorry,
Zainab.
Sorry, Zainab. Come to the dance floor. Let me sing
Zainab,
for you.
yes, dance for us.
Party get hotter, getting high, feeling better. Kissing, licking, Vanessa. What I do,
okay,
I do
she don't even know how to sing
you
it.
You get face, you get nyash, you get brain. Go down, you get face, you get nyash, you get brain.
Oh, I see. I just love that's your song though.
Yeah. That's
yes.
Right, thank you.
Yes.
I don't know what kitani you know I say.
Okay, Derek, I'm confused. Like, you know, I'm confused.
Why are you confused?
Yeah, I'm confused. So who spin?
Yeah, I'm the one to spin.
Okay, spin. And you know that's why I'm confused. Yeah.
No, you're confused.
In fact, Zainab sexiness, you can't even mind. Like, she's quiet and I do Rain African. So, Rain, your truth is, what is the most embarrassing thing you have put on social media since you are, an artist?
Yeah, that was posting myself with just my pants on, the pants.
Like your boxer underpants?
Yeah, I was trying to get attention.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I was trying to get attention
from the public.
Yeah, from the public. I was trying to also promote one of my songs, Fine Girl, as well. So I dressed myself for the video. I was wearing pants.
Alone.
After posting it, then going back, I was high. So after the highness cleared from my eyes, and I realized.
And where do you go yourself?
So I have to go back and pull it down immediately. That's the most embarrassing thing I've done.
All right.
So far, yeah.
Okay, Zainab, your day is wow. I think that the day no. I dare you to ask Rain Africa to, give you anything you wish for. What do you wish for? And the Rain Africa will give it to you.
Yeah.
What do you wish for? Yes. And the offer be on the memo. It's a day, and the day is a day in Tika. On the memo.
Car. Oh, no problem. We'll go to the garage from here. No problem. I'm going to give it to her. She deserves it. And I know the one she likes, so I'll take it to the garage.
You guys are behaving like couples.
Like, seriously. Wow.
And I Derek Meboa. They are behaving like couples.
No, I don't think that. We are more than couples. We are close friends.
Zainab,
my biggest fan.
Penny, mommy.
All right. Martin, I'm telling you,
Okay, Zainab is on this side. So truth or dare?
Truth or dare.
Kina so gaskiya ko dare ya show. You want truth? I think I have to do Hausa truth or dare. Yes, I think I have to do Hausa truth or dare. So that Derek will just, do the subtitle. Who do you like as a celebrity? Who is your favorite celebrity?
Rain Africa. Allah. That's for real, man. That's true.
For me, a couple. Okay, Rain Africa.
Yeah.
You're there, they say. Call your crush. Who are you crushing on?
Wow. Should I call her?
Who are you crushing on?
Should I call her?
Yes.
Right now.
Right now. Okay. And tell her how much
I feel for her. Wow.
Exactly.
This is one of the opportunities I've been looking for in my life.
And then put on loudspeaker and then let them get it close to your mic so that we can hear her voice.
I'm calling. I've been crushing on this babe, man, for like a couple of years now.
In fact, he's calling me.
Hello?
Hello. I'm standing here.
Yeah, are you sure you are here?
Of course, Red, I'm here.
Okay, I can see that. I can see that. All right, let's.
Oh my gracious!
Should we go on? Do you want to talk on phone, or should I cut the phone? Let's go direct.
I'm here, so just tell me. Since you called me, so I'm right here. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm right here. So tell me, since I'm your crush, I didn't know you crushing on me.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been crushing on you so badly that it affects my kidney.
Woo! Oh my God.
I went for kidney transplant in India. That was last month because of you. Because I can't help it. Especially when I see you with another guy. It hurts me a lot.
Oh my God. Oh, Ray.
Yeah.
I'm honored. In fact, I like you so
Can I get a
much.
hug from you?
Oh, of course. Of course.
I'm hugging my crotch. Can you see that?
Oh my God. I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
In fact, I wasn't.
That's
So, Ren, I'm speechless.
Don't be speechless. Let me spin for you.
Spin.
Yeah.
Okay, Rain, your truth is, what is the most childish thing you still do as when you need?
Okay. When I want to take tea and bread, I will cut the bread
And then
dip it inside and eat it. Yeah. So whenever I'm doing that thing, it always comes to my mind, guy, want to grow up.
Okay.
Yeah, I still do that till today.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Zainab, your dare is, I dare you to sing one of your favorite artist's song. Who's your favorite artist? He said Rain. So sing one of his like your favorite song from all his tracks. Just loud.
Africa with you now, party.
Why are you laughing? The
song, it enter too much.
Okay, let's go.
Love officer.
Africa with you now, party. With you now, party. You go bless. You get.
Oh, so you get breast, you get sense. So that's your favorite.
Yeah.
Okay, so they'll spin for us.
Officer is our favorite.
Okay, it's on this side. So Zainab, truth or dare? Truth or dare?
So truth or dare. The king is so.
Truth or dare? Zainab, truth. Okay. Your truth is, which part of your body are you most proud of? Yes. Which one? Like you boast of, what you say, yes, I'm boasting of this part of my body. Thank you. Say. So which part? Thank you. Okay. Rain.
Yeah.
Your dare is, I dare you to dance like a crazy dance. Like any crazy dance just dance for us. Of the big dance. Also, music, TV3 for no. Music. Zainab, thank you. Just watch out.
What kind of crazy dance?
Yes, any crazy dance.
I'll pay the 50 cents. I don't want to fool myself on camera.
So you don't want to fool yourself. So you pay the 50 cents.
I'll pay.
In fact, that's good.
I'll pay.
That's good. So we are going for the last spin.
Yeah.
So spin for us. In fact, God is answering the prayers. He's giving you truth.
I don't like telling lies.
You don't like telling
lies.
You don't like telling lies. Okay, your truth is, which famous couple do you know and do you like them? Do we even have couples in the show business? Do you have couples?
Yeah, we do. We do have couples.
So which of them is your favorite?
Favorite couples. That would be Rihanna and Asa. Yeah.
Rihanna and her partner.
Yeah.
That's your favorite.
Yeah, those two, I admire their chemistry.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
I got two though, but Rihanna.
So who is the second one?
That would be Cardi B.
Cardi B and Offset.
Yeah.
Oh, you bam.
Yeah.
Okay, Zay, your dare is, I dare you to mimic, like, for Rain Africa to tell us what you're trying to tell him. Like muya mumu. So just talk to him and then he will let us know what you say.
I'm looking. Anything.
When you are standing, you watch it out because we don't have ambulance in Ghana. Before we call them, they will be wearing Kanda.
again.
Then Africa don't get it. He's not getting it.
I'm not getting
He's not getting it.
again. The car. Are you, let me see, you're asking now. The car. What time are we going? Let us go. Let us go.
In fact,
Let it need it when it top down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That.
yeah, he said it. He said it. Yeah, he said it. So
what
I
time
have
are we
for
going? Yeah.
I have any
I
truth
got
or
it.
there Jume dear no ebesi. I'm now because a virtual hub Ghana for and I saw my say. But your last voice and then let's go and your handles.
Okay. Virtual hub. Maybe I'll be coming here to vibe to my new single, which will be dropping next month. I'll be coming to officially premiere it here. I love the vibe.
Okay.
And you can follow me on all social media platforms in Africa. But I'm in a music group called The Exit. That's my official brand, The Exit. So you can go online, type The Exit, DEIFIN-EXIT on all social medias. Follow my music, my videos, and everything. It's me, Rain. Follow me,
Yes.
Show me love.
So Zainab, do you have anything to say?
No, I don't have any.
You don't have anything to say?
Yeah.
Okay, Zay says she doesn't have anything to say. And then, I'm acknowledging Virtual Hub Ghana. Yeah, this show is brought to you by them. Yes, because anyone can truth or their ambassador this season. So, they are the official sponsor. And then it's brought to you by Virtual Hub Ghana. Anything concerning recording, studio, anything concerning, production, Virtual Hub Ghana is there for you. And Virtual Hub is located in East Legon, opposite Lord of the Rings. American House area. That's where Virtual Hub is located. Right in the building of MTN office. Yes, thanks to Vicky's Clothing for giving me this campaign. And thanks to Abibti. So guys, hey, my voice are there. So Kasim I did for say, what's in there? Yeah, I'm gonna join in. So shout out to Kasim. Yeah, he's standing right in front of me. And Derek too, Derek standing behind that camera. He's standing on my right. And then Joshua is just, sitting at my back. I don't know if it's my back or my back of my ass. And Miami also is there doing the lightning. So thank you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Keep subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. In fact, follow the TDW on Instagram and follow me on all social media platforms. See you guys. See you same time.
Please. Voice, okay, wait. I would like you guys to go online and stream my new album, God, G-H-A-D. It's out. Yeah, my new album.
God.
God.
Yeah, he said go and stream his, new music. God. In fact, he said good. He's good. He knows what he's doing. Even though, life as a young artist is not easy if you're underground. But with God, everything is possible. And God's time is the best. So see you guys same time next week. Shout out. Say kukura.
I love that.
Jina yankwe, someone wa fema jina yankwe. Jo, jina yankwe. Obete sangara topa.